Hello and thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to talk about this Alpine Hemlock Hand dryer. It's a commercial hand dryer, a 10-second drying time, a convenient plug-in feature, or if you can just wire it directly. And I like that it has a 5-year warranty. It comes with different colors, but I like this one, so let's take a look. It comes with a template, so you know where to drill the holes and where the connection is gonna go. Installation. It comes with the hardware. It's a black color, which is nice. It's a nice finish. So this is the top side, and here you have the sensors, and here is the power. But of course you have an option of putting it through here. It's easier if you do it this way. Once it's loose, you can just do it with the long. So you have to unscrew this one too. So you screw this one and take off the side screws. You flip it over and this comes off. So pretty simple installation. Drill the holes, put this on the wall, put this back. So before I install it, I'm gonna try it out, see how it works. I just plugged it in. That's pretty strong. Perfect.